to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to write your ideal week using templates. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to write your ideal week using your templates, all you gotta do is simply do the prep work. Start by simply searching for the template where you are asked to leave your response to several thought-provoking questions about what an ideal work week means to you. So you can go to Canva and search for any template. So once you find this template, you can simply tap it on, and then now you can reflect on your template, or like reflect on what your week was about or what you're going to do. So if you're going to reflect on all these, you can simply put this thought in your template as well. Now you can plan your week better for better results. Now, if you're looking for an ideal week that is scheduled to be next week, then you can simply plan it out in your weekly template. So this way you can write your ideal week using your templates. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.